Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Tinashe Hair once more. I got two packages. I got this drawstring bag and I also got the box. Let's see what we got in here. You know, more than likely they're gonna put the goodies in this bag. So oh, these lashes are cute. They're really not they're not too much. They're very nice and natural. Love that. Definitely adding that to my collection. I got this pair of HD invisible wig caps. I got a bonnet. I got these two clips here. I have this rat tail comb, an edge brush and comb, a branded Tinashe elastic headband. I got this actual headband which has patterns on it, and then finally in the bag I got some pins. Always come in handy. Love that. So in here obviously we have the wig. There is some information on the inside the box. It says the wig we're working with is 20 inches and it's a curly texture. Got this information card which is always sent, and it has our social media platforms, everything listed. This that we're working with here today, guys, is Tinashe's upgraded glueless curly 6x5 pre-cut HD lace closure wig, and it's a wear and go wig with bleached knots. So it's 20 inches long, as I told you guys before. In terms of density, all of that will be listed in the description box, so please check it out. But this is another great pre-everything wear and go wig, perfect for my beginners and if you want your installation to be hassle-free and quick. All right, also I must tell you, I did get this adjustable elastic band to go with the wig, so this is really what helps with the ultimate security. So this is what makes it very possible to not have to use any adhesive when, you know, wearing this wig. It's what keeps it secure to your head, and it's always a go. So I absolutely love that, right? So I must tell you, it's a dome cap construction. They did make sure to make around the ear portion curved, so this way the cap will sit around your ears comfortably and it won't be pressing on it. So I love that upgrade. Also, as I told you, the knots are bleached. It's a HD lace closure. You're working with good enough space, and I love that. You don't have any combs in this cap. It's literally just a strap. So yeah, and you can go ahead and adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. The curls feel really nice and soft. All right, it is a medium cap that I got, which is always the size I go with whenever I get my wigs. The curls are very nice and tight. Of course, when stretched, that's when it's 20 inches. So yeah, and this is how it looks, and it is glueless, as I said. So this is gonna be a very quick and easy installation. So let's get into it. First thing I do is I always get the strap, and that's the first part I put over my head, and that's really easy. That's really easy. It's sitting very comfortably on the head as well. Seeing that it's just you know, the one elastic band that you have to work with around the inside the cap, and then this portion that I show you guys with the curve sits comfortably around my ear. Like literally, it feels good. Everything is, like, you know, it's well thought out and it's executed properly. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little bit of cast in the front, and I think this happens a lot with a lot of the wear and goes, and it's a very easy fix. You know, you can go ahead and just tap some powder into that area to get rid of the cast. Usually what I'll do is go in a little bit more with my scissors, which is what I'm gonna do, and then I'll tap out the area with some powder and get really close and be careful to not like cut off the hair, and like so. Just take my time to tap that in, and no baby hair is needed. Like super realistic. You know, the hairline is already pre-plucked. Everything is customized to perfection for you. So that's why I really highly recommend these type of wigs, especially when you're trying to, you know, when you're just easing into the whole wig wearing world, you know. So this is how we're looking. This is the hair in its dry state, right? So this is what we're working with. It's very nice and fluffy. The curls are soft and tight. I'm gonna also go ahead and get the hair a little damp for you, so you can see it in its wet state as well. So I have this bottle with water here, so I'll just, you know, I really do love the volume. It's really nice and fluffy. So this is how it looks. It's really nice and fluffy. Tell me that doesn't look very realistic. That's so cute. It's, and you guys know curly texture is my go-to texture. It's just closer to home for me, and I find that it looks just, it's just so natural looking. So I'm always going to like opt for a curly texture if I just kind of, you know, like, you know, that's what makes me feel my best. So I love it. I think it's a go. There is shedding a little bit more than I'd like, so please do note that. I love how soft the curls are. Very convenient to work with. As you can see, it's literally a slip on and go kind of wig, and I think it's very beginner friendly, very. So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. All the specifications are also listed, so please check that out. Yeah, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go out and big up on yourself. Bye.